So this is called Silverback epoxy. It's the world's toughest deck post crack filler. General deck repair epoxy. It cures up 3 times harder than concrete, and it closes off deck post cracks for life. We're getting ready to slam this down into the cracks deep. Watch. Whoop! Just like you're working with drywall mud or anything like that. And then we'll allow this to set up. It's going to set up 3 times harder than concrete and make it virtually impossible for water to get into this deck post crack anymore.